Did this a little bit earlier on. He says it starts with inanimate objects like statues and property. The police don't intervene for fear of escalation or their own safety, but people say that.
Managed by my guest on this edition of My Sporting Life, Sam Allardyce, reached the Premier League after defeating Preston 3-0 in the Division 1 playoff final.
Though, wasn't it?
Yeah, and I think, you know, this is reflected in our output across the BBC and those of our colleagues in the commercial sector as well. You can hear that an awful lot of people are outpouring their, you know, people are genuinely has happened. Now, we are aware of
the police signifying their unity.
Vicky, I've never ever forgotten her coming out to see me, and if ever I do a show, I always go to the stage door and I wait.
And by the end of the day, because the atmosphere, there had been 12 arrests. In Bristol, we know that the Edward Colston statue, of course, was thrown in the river.
Well, let's talk about that, because obviously he's a very prominent...
That means we may not get in all the local...
Bristol, like, why would you celebrate that? Like, yeah, so I'm glad.
I should quickly add that other than the tearing down of this statue,